Hello everyone, I'm Vishal and this is day one of the marathon. And in this video, I will talk about why Java is not 100% object oriented programming, and what are wrapper classes in Java, and what are constructors in Java. So let's get started. Coming upon first points, why Java is not called a pure object-oriented programming. Java supports eight primitive data types. Example like Boolean, char, and then we have byte, int, short, long, and float, and then double. So these are not objects, and it is supported by Java. Therefore, we can't say Java a pure object-oriented programming language. Coming upon the next thing, what is wrapper classes in Java? So wrapper classes converts the primitive data types into that reference object. We called it as a wrapper classes because it wraps the primitive data types in that particular reference object. So uh, we have particular that we have particular objects of every primitive data type, and then wrapper class also have inbuilt methods which will ease the work of a developer. And then coming upon our third question, what are constructors in Java? So, constructor refers to a block of code which is used to initialize an object, and then constructor must have same name as of class name, and then it has no return type, and constructor are used in constructor automatically called when we create an object. And we have two types of constructors. One is default constructor and the another is parameterized constructor. So default constructor, we can also say it did not take any input while the creation of an object. Default constructor is used for initializing the instance variable with their default values. Default, if we did not provide any default constructor, then the JVM will automatically provide the default constructor. And default constructor also is called as no argument constructor. Coming upon the next type, parameterized constructor. So parameterized constructor is a constructor which is capable of initializing the instance variable while creation of an object. So we also call it as parameterized constructor as and the constructor which is taking the parameter as an argument. We call it as an parameterized constructor. That's from my side, and see you in next video.